Hi friends, I'm happy to see you on my channel, and today we are drawing a shark. Let's start with the main shape of the body. One curved line on the top, slightly rounded snout, and from this point we are going to draw one more curved line. Maybe that's too much. Yeah, like that. Now let's finish the shape from the right side by adding the tail. Two curved lines like this. And now I think we should draw those body parts which overlap the main shape. Firstly, it's an eye. It's approximately here. One small circle. And another one is a fin right in the middle of that curve. Just another U shape. Maybe extend a little bit more. We can add one more eye behind here. And the second fin. Just a tiny part of it. Now let's add the famous shark's fin. It is triangular shape with rounded corner. And now we can draw the line in the middle of the body which separates dark and light color. Start from snout and go until the eye, then curve down and curve touching to the fin. Alright, and we will go on drawing the same line after the fin. Now let's draw the mouth, and we will switch to the marker later. Our shark will be friendly and smiling. Cute smile here. And some teeth. Now we can trace all the lines with the marker. Okay, we can erase all the pencil lines. Little left to finish the line work. Let's draw eyes now. And I want to add eyebrows. 2 dots for the nostrils and gills. Alright, now we are done with our line work. Let's color our shark first, and later we can think what else we can add to this drawing to make it even more fun. Before I speed up the coloring process, I would like to remind you to mark the space for the highlights, not to forget about them. See you at the end of the video. we finished coloring and now you know how to draw a shark. While I was coloring, I was thinking it would be a good idea to add some bubbles here to add more interest to our drawing, or draw some fish around so he will not be lonely. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and see you in my next video. Bye bye!